So hello and welcome to my video. Today I am playing Subway Surfer. This is a good game and best also. I don't know what that is best or not. So it is types of running. I have to give you a running game also. So I have got the booster and jetpack. So subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any videos when I update. So thanks, and I will play one game only for your wish or wish not. I don't know what is that. So I want a booster, but I got a what hunt. I have to jump from jumped. Oh, here is a tube. If I get the tube, I have to go on. This video will have to long or not, I don't know. So thanks for watching my video, and I will take another video for you and for me or not. So thanks for watching, and I'm in the last. So thanks and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.